Welcome to your 30-day healthy lifestyle eating plan, inspired by Mount Sinai's commitment to mindful self-care and wellness. In this video, we'll guide you through a month-long journey of nutritious meals, positive habits, and enjoyable activities. Whether you're looking to boost your mood, support your body, or simply eat better, this plan is designed to help you and your family thrive. Remember, this is a suggestion and should be tailored with your healthcare team to fit your unique needs. Let's get started on the path to optimal health together. Self-care is more than just a buzzword. It's about making choices every day that nourish your body and mind. Choosing foods that are both nutritious and delicious can have a profound impact on your mood and outlook. This plan is filled with recipes and meal ideas that are easy to prepare and enjoyable to eat. As you follow along, remember that self-care also means listening to your body and making adjustments as needed. Let's explore how mindful eating can be a cornerstone of your wellness routine. Over the next 30 days, you'll discover a variety of delicious recipes and meal ideas designed to keep you energized and satisfied. Each day features balanced breakfasts, wholesome lunches, tasty snacks, and nourishing dinners. The plan is flexible, allowing you to swap ingredients or meals to suit your preferences and dietary needs. Whether you're cooking for yourself or your family, these meals are crafted to support your journey to better health. Let's take a closer look at how each day is structured. Healthy lifestyle isn't just about what you eat, it's also about staying active. This guide includes a variety of recreational activities you can incorporate into your personal wellness plan. From walking and swimming to yoga and meditation, there's something for everyone. Many of these activities can be enjoyed at a Mount Sinai Hospital campus or right in your local community. Find what you love and make movement a joyful part of your daily routine. Support is key to any successful wellness journey. Your healthcare team may include a primary care practitioner, specialists, dietitians, wellness coaches, and support groups. Regular check-ins with your team help ensure your plan is safe and effective for you. Don't hesitate to reach out for guidance or adjustments as you progress. Remember, your health is a team effort and you're never alone on this path. Every person's health journey is unique. This guide is a starting point, but it's important to consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes. Work together to outline a plan that fits your needs, preferences, and any medical considerations. Personalization ensures your wellness journey is both safe and sustainable, setting you up for long-term success. Start your first day with a nourishing breakfast: low-fat plain Greek yogurt, whole-grain English muffin, and blueberries. This combination provides protein, fiber, and antioxidants to fuel your morning. Pair it with a cup of coffee with milk and a sugar substitute if you like. A balanced breakfast sets a positive tone for the rest of your day, keeping you satisfied and focused. For lunch, enjoy a tuna salad wrap filled with spinach, cucumber, carrots, and beans. This meal is packed with lean protein and fiber, helping you stay full and energized throughout the afternoon. Add a small piece of fruit for a touch of natural sweetness. Remember to rinse canned beans to reduce sodium and keep your meal heart healthy. A small apple with a tablespoon of natural nut butter makes for a perfect afternoon snack. This combination offers a balance of carbohydrates, healthy fats, and a bit of protein, keeping your energy steady until dinner. Snacks like this help prevent overeating at meals and support stable blood sugar levels. Dinner features grilled chicken burgers with onions and peppers, served on a whole wheat bun with cauliflower mash and grilled asparagus. This meal is rich in lean protein, fiber, and vitamins, making it both satisfying and nutritious. Preparing extra burgers can save time for tomorrow's lunch, making healthy eating more convenient. Begin day 2 with 3 egg whites and 1 whole egg scrambled, served with 2 slices of whole grain bread and blueberries. Eggs provide high-quality protein, while whole grains and fruit add fiber and antioxidants. This breakfast supports muscle health and keeps you feeling full longer. Lunch today is a salad with grilled chicken, broccoli, and peppers, all wrapped in a whole grain wrap. Add a small piece of fruit on the side for a refreshing finish. This meal is colorful, nutrient-dense, and easy to take on the go, making it perfect for busy days. Snack on 20 baby carrots with hummus or guacamole. This crunchy, satisfying snack is full of fiber and healthy fats, supporting digestive health and keeping hunger at bay. Choosing vegetables for snacks is a great way to increase your daily intake of vitamins and minerals. Dinner tonight is a grilled turkey burger with a baked sweet potato and sautéed spinach. This meal is balanced with lean protein, complex carbohydrates, and leafy greens. Topping your sweet potato with cinnamon adds flavor without extra sugar, making it a smart, tasty choice. Kick off day 3 with a breakfast of oatmeal cooked in water topped with blueberries and ground flaxseed meal. Oatmeal is a great source of soluble fiber which supports heart health, while flaxseed adds healthy omega-3 fats. This meal is both filling and heart-smart. For lunch, enjoy a quinoa bowl with roasted chicken, tomatoes, and carrots. Quinoa is a high-protein, gluten-free grain that pairs well with lean meats and fresh vegetables. This bowl is satisfying and provides steady energy for your afternoon activities. Snack on 3 cups of air-popped popcorn for a light, crunchy treat. Popcorn is a whole grain and can be a healthy snack when prepared without added butter or salt. It's a great way to satisfy your craving for something crunchy while keeping calories in check. Dinner is a chicken and vegetable stir-fry served with brown rice and broccoli. Sauté your chicken and veggies in olive oil and lemon for a flavorful, nutrient-rich meal. Stir-fries are a versatile way to use up leftover vegetables and keep your dinners interesting. Start day 4 with a breakfast of hard-boiled egg whites, canned or frozen peaches, and coffee with milk. This simple meal is quick to prepare and provides a good balance of protein and fruit to start your day right. Lunch is a whole grain wrap filled with leftover grilled chicken, onions, peppers, spinach, and avocado. Wraps are a convenient way to enjoy a variety of flavors and textures, and they're easy to customize based on what you have on hand. Snack on a kind bar, but avoid those with coconut or yogurt coatings to keep added sugars and saturated fats low. Snack bars can be a handy option when you're on the go, just be mindful of the ingredients. Dinner tonight is shrimp sautéed with garlic, olive oil, and lemon, served with spaghetti squash or zucchini and a side of spinach. Seafood is a great source of lean protein and healthy fats, making it a delicious and nutritious dinner choice. Enjoy a grilled peanut butter and strawberry sandwich for breakfast. Using whole grain bread and all-natural nut butter, this meal provides a satisfying mix of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. It's a fun twist on a classic favorite. Lunch features grilled chicken with brown rice and a fresh salad. This combination is a staple for balanced eating, offering lean protein, complex carbs, and plenty of vegetables. It's a meal that will keep you energized and satisfied. Snack on whole grain cereal or raw almonds for a crunchy, satisfying treat. These snacks are rich in fiber and healthy fats, helping you stay full between meals and supporting heart health. Dinner is grilled salmon or your preferred fish, served with unlimited steamed broccoli and a baked sweet potato. Salmon is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart and brain health. This meal is both delicious and nourishing. Start day 6 with low-fat Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, whole grain bread, and blueberries. This breakfast is high in protein and calcium, supporting muscle and bone health. It's a refreshing way to begin your day. Lunch is lettuce wraps with low-sodium roast turkey or ham, cheese, and whole grain crackers. Lettuce wraps are a light, low-carb option that still delivers plenty of flavor and satisfaction. Snack on carrots with hummus or bean dip for a boost of fiber and plant-based protein. These snacks are easy to prepare and perfect for keeping your energy up between meals. Dinner is an egg white and veggie omelet with whole grain bread or a baked sweet potato. Add your favorite vegetables for extra vitamins and minerals. This meal is light yet filling, making it a great end to your day. For breakfast, try a pumpkin quinoa blueberry bowl. Quinoa is a low-glycemic, high-protein grain, and pumpkin adds fiber and vitamins. This bowl is naturally gluten-free and perfect for a cozy morning meal. Lunch is a chicken burger fiesta salad with lettuce, black beans, cheddar cheese, avocado, and salsa. This salad is packed with protein, fiber, and healthy fats, making it both filling and flavorful. Snack on 1.5 cups of edamame in the shell, sprinkled with sea salt. Edamame is a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, making it a satisfying and nutritious snack. Dinner is baked fish with whole wheat pasta and non-starchy vegetables like string beans or broccoli, topped with a dollop of low-fat Greek yogurt for extra creaminess. This meal is balanced and supports heart health. Start day 8 with low-fat Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, whole grain bread, and blueberries. This breakfast is high in protein and calcium, supporting muscle and bone health. It's a refreshing way to begin your day. Lunch is a salmon salad with canned, boneless, skinless wild salmon, lemon, and vinegar. Add red onion and bell pepper for crunch and flavor. Salmon is rich in omega-3s, making this salad both tasty and heart-healthy. Snack on 8 Triscuits with bean dip and chopped parsley. Whole grain crackers and beans provide fiber and protein, making this a filling and nutritious snack. Dinner is lean beef or your choice of meat, served with a baked potato or sweet potato salad and fruit salad. This meal is balanced and satisfying, providing protein, fiber, and vitamins. Enjoy a bowl of plain Cheerios with low-fat or non-fat Greek yogurt and berries for breakfast. This meal is quick, easy, and provides a good mix of protein, fiber, and antioxidants. Lunch is a turkey or ham sandwich on whole grain bread with lettuce, tomato, and your choice of veggies. Add a side salad for extra nutrients. This classic lunch is easy to prepare and always satisfying. Snack on low-fat cottage cheese with raspberries and almonds. This snack is high in protein and healthy fats, making it both filling and delicious. Dinner is grilled fish tacos with corn tortillas topped with tomatoes, peppers, onions, and scallions. Add a slice of low-fat cheddar or avocado for creaminess. This meal is fresh, flavorful, and perfect for a healthy dinner. Start your day with a whole wheat English muffin, peanut butter and blueberries, or a whole grain waffle with nut butter. This breakfast is a great mix of protein, healthy fats, and fiber, giving you lasting energy. Lunch is a 3-bean salad with cannellini, black beans, and string beans dressed with olive oil and vinegar. Beans are an excellent source of plant-based protein and fiber, making this salad both hearty and nutritious. Snack on a small iced cappuccino and half an apple for a sweet, refreshing treat. Pairing fruit with a beverage can help satisfy your sweet tooth while keeping your snack balanced.